Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix LiveScore bet app not working properly. So let's get started. So here we can see the LiveScore app. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So the first step is to check for the clear data. So we'll just click on here, then click on this I button. After that you have to go and scroll down and click on the storage, then click on the clear data. When we'll just click on clear data, the data will be clear and you can use it. Then here the second step is to check for update. So here you will just go click on the LiveScore bet app. Then here we can see, so here you have to check for the update, and if it's updated then it's okay. If it's not, you have to do update it. So the third solution is to reinstallation. So right here you have to click on here, then click on install, click on OK. Same, go to Play Store and install it again, and it will start work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.